How to allow message requests from everyone on Instagram. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to allow message requests from everyone on Instagram. Open or launch the Instagram mobile application just like you can see here. You will land on the homepage of the app where you will see different posts that have been shared. Next, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. You will land on the profile section of your Instagram account. On this page, there are options that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. From them, make sure you tap on the menu option. You will land on the menu section of your account as you can see here. This is also the settings and activity page where you will find options that you can use to manage and make changes to the settings of your Instagram account. Next, scroll down. Ensure you follow the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Okay, let us proceed. Come to this section here. Under the section, there are several options. From those options, make sure you tap this one here named Message and Story Replies. After that, you will land on this other page where you will see more options. From them, make sure you tap this one here named Message Controls. You will then see this page where there are more options that you can use to control and manage messages on your account. From them, go to this section named Who Can Send You Messages. The section has two options under it. Make sure you tap on the first option first. On this page, there are two options. Make sure to allow message requests here. This means message requests from people who follow you on Instagram will be delivered to your message requests folder unless you choose not to receive them. After that, come back to the previous page and then tap this other option named Others on Instagram. Make sure you also allow message requests to be sent to you by others on Instagram. This means message requests from other accounts on Instagram will be delivered to your message requests folder unless you choose not to receive them. The process is that simple. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. I hope the tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you were facing. Thanks! That is how to allow message requests from everyone on Instagram.